Answer is very easy. No, it will not. We have been targeting the service sector with activity, and in particular training activity, for more than 20 years. But the challenges we had in the past were of a completely different nature. In the past, we had to learn more on lubricants that are sensitive to humidity, but that has been overcome. We have managed that transition from the CFCs into other refrigerants, and I would say that is a successful transformation. With the new refrigerants being brought to the market, we are facing completely different issues. We have issues with flammability, with toxicity, with excess pressure, with so-called temperature glide, and that is something that the technicians have not been exposed to in the past, and indeed training programs need to be updated to facilitate the introduction of these alternatives. And future is today. I think it's mandatory to upgrade the training programs in order to facilitate introduction of these alternatives. So answer is yes. There are indeed many obstacles. I'm not sure I can complete the list on the spot, but I can mention a few of them. One obstacle is that refrigerant is in many cases seen as a consumable, and there is no value to it. I think both owners of refrigerating installations, technicians, importers, everyone should see it as a valuable thing that should be kept and used as much as possible, and at the end of life of an appliance it should be recovered and reused again. Another obstacle is the economic side of it. Refrigerants used today are still cheap. They are so cheap that there is no really incentive to hire a trained and skilled technician. It's just a matter of finding someone that can handle the refrigerant. Another issue we have is also related to the economics, but from a different aspect. We see today low quality refrigerants being exported into countries, and I think in particular Africa is exposed a lot to this problematic situation. Improper quality of refrigerant that reduces the lifetime of the refrigerating appliance where it's used, but it can also have impact on human health, for example, because you may not be able to store your foodstuff in proper conditions.